Hello guys, welcome to the first video of this section. In this video, I am going to be teaching you through how to sign up on Canva, introducing you to the features of Canva and the basics. So, without wasting much of our time, let's get into it. So, the first thing you need to do is to go to your browser and type canva.com. In case you don't have PC, you can also use your phone, mobile phone, to do this, or you can simply download it from your Play Store or App Store. So if you are using phone, I will recommend you to download the app from whatever store you are using, so that will be easier for you. So but if you are using PC, just go to your browser and type canva.com. Then after typing the address, all you need to do is to click on this sign up. But before that, let me show you something. You scroll down, you can see we have Canva free here, we have Canva Pro here, we have Canva for Teams. For now, don't worry about these two, Canva Pro and the Canva Team. What we are going to be using for now is Canva free. So let's just start with Canva free. I have already have an account, so there's no need for me to create another account. So what I will need to do now is to log into my account. First, let me show you how to sign up. You click on this sign up. You can see there are many ways you can sign up. You can sign up with your Google email, or you choose another way. There are many ways you can sign up from here. Sign up from here. But the one that I use most is this one, because I have an account on Canva. So what I will do now is to log into my account. Let me just log into my account through Google. So after you've signed up your account, the moment you log in, this is what you are going to be seeing. This is the Canva interface on PC. On mobile, it's going to be the same thing, but the interface will be different. Just like the layouts, how to do on your mobile, but the features and everything are the same. Just that the display will be different since phones are using small screen. So if you are using your phone, everything you are doing, you can do it on your phone. Just that I prefer PC for user usage. So from the interface, you can see there are many features here that you can use. Let's start with this one. You can use it to create documents like the one we use Google Doc or Microsoft Word documents. You can use one, whiteboard, presentation, social medias, videos, and website, and many more other things. So you can see infographic, photo, support bar, graph, and many other things you can create with Canva. Thousands of things you can create with the Canva hidden. So that is, apart from this one, when you cover this design spotlight, you can see there are many features here, like video editor, YouTube video editor, photo editor, business card, and others, marketing, all that is. So when you cover this business tool, there are many other tools for businesses that you can use. As you can see from my screen, and when you hover on the education, you can see. So this is for those who want to upgrade their accounts, but for now, let's just stick with our free accounts since it allows us to do many things. So you can see this place, projects, the projects. If I click on this project now, any design that I have done on this account will be displayed under this order, this project. You can see that design I've done here, that the design I've done. So my design will be then templates. Click on templates. You see there are many templates you can use. There are many templates there for video and pictures. So, but don't worry about how to use them, how to customize, I will explain everything in the next videos. Just know the layout. You can see there are many things here and use. So for this one, create a team. You can create a team and invite people to join your team so that you can be sharing one account. You can be designing. And when you design and stop there, another person can log into the account, and another person from your team can also redesign or design something in that team, like the teamwork. So it allows you to collaborate with each other and share your design and other things. So this brand template and this and for the premium one. So but for now we're not going to use this. So as the video goes on, I'm going to be showing you how to get Canva Pro 2 as well. So what you just need to understand now is to navigate through Canvas and see all the other things that I have mentioned here. So, or you can also search. You see here now. So here you can also search for the design you are looking for. Let's you search for YouTube. You can also search for something. And see that YouTube, other things. Yeah, so that is it for now. See you in the next video. Thank you for watching.